In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar just like this one over here to your TCL Smart TV using an optical cable. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but it doesn't matter the type of TCL Smart TV you have, whether it's the TCL Google TV or TCL Roku TV. This video should still help you connect any soundbar to any type of TCL Smart TV you have using an optical cable. Now the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and get your optical cable, and basically this is how an optical cable looks like from end to end. And then you want to go ahead and make sure you turn on your soundbar. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and turn on this soundbar over here. Then the next step you want to take is to go ahead and connect one end of your optical cable to the optical cable port on your soundbar. Usually in most soundbars, you're going to see the port that is labeled optical out or digital audio out. Just go ahead and connect one end of your optical cable to that port on your soundbar. And once that is done, you want to head over to your TCL Smart TV and then connect the other end of the optical cable to the optical cable out port or digital audio out port on your TCL Smart TV. Just go ahead and look for the optical cable out or digital audio out and then connect it to that port on your TCL Smart TV. And finally, after you must have connected the optical cable to your soundbar and your TCL Smart TV properly, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that both your soundbar and your TCL Smart TV are on optical cable mode. So for your soundbar, you want to make sure that it is actually on optical cable mode. Mine is actually showing OPT over here, which basically stands for optical cable. So if your soundbar actually has several modes, then make sure it is actually on optical cable mode. And then you want to come over to your TCL Smart TV, whether it's the TCL Google TV, Roku TV, or Android TV just like this. Just go ahead and press on the settings button on your TCL remote control. Now go over to the sound settings, and from the sound settings, you want to head over to the advanced settings over here, and then make sure that under the digital audio out over here, you want to make sure that it is not set to off. So you can go ahead and set it to auto or PCM, anyone that works well for you, but make sure that digital audio out is not set to off, or else the sound from your TCL Smart TV will not come from your soundbar. Now once this is done, your soundbar must have successfully connected to your TCL Smart TV. But if it still does not connect, then you want to go over to the sound settings again, come over to audio out, and if you actually have an optical cable option over here, then go ahead and select it. And in some smart TVs, you actually have the optical cable option over here, but if you do not have it here, then it should actually be under the advanced settings and under the digital audio out over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.